Hi, Clayton. My name is Sal. I'm in my early 50s and I plan on retiring from my job in about 10 years. I have up to about 80,000 to invest in a rental property, and my main concern is the sort of timeline that I'm on. Properties where I live here in Southern California are so expensive that the only way to have a positive cash flow each month would be on a 30-year mortgage. And my question is, does your company offer modern rental properties in Texas that are within a price range where positive cash flow could be possible, but on a 15 or 20-year mortgage loan? Thanks in advance for your advice.
Thank you so much, Sal. Absolutely. Yeah, I was going to say number one, I would never invest in California. The numbers just aren't going to make sense. You're going to be paying way too much for a property in a not in a one of the most unfriendly landlord states in the country. So just take California off the list right now. I would say the number one client we ever work with lives in California and buys properties from us in Texas and other areas where we're building our new construction properties. The answer is yes. We work with over 60 different lenders, so we have multiple financing options in all different ranges. So if you want that shorter, condensed time frame on a mortgage, absolutely, and you'd be cash flow positive above that mortgage, so you're not going to be having to come out of pocket to cover that. So absolutely, and plus you get the benefit of it being new construction in the best school districts in our area. So we only build in the top school districts, so they're always a demand and a waiting list for tenants to move into these properties. And we get to command higher rent because, again, they are in the best school districts. And so as a result of that, you can charge higher rent. You have tenants that stay a long time because they want their children to go to those schools and to complete that school. So they're going to be there for 5, 10 years or longer. And we have tenants, again, that have been there when we did a recent tour of some of our Texas properties, in one section of the duplexes that we had built about 6 years ago with our team, the same tenants were there from the moment they were built, still living there 6 years later. So absolutely the case that we have that opportunity. Give us a call. Just go to our website at morrisinvest.com, book a call with our team. And one of our team members will give you a call it's like a calendar that pops up. You pick the time that you'd like to speak with us, and we'll go over that. We'll talk about the different funding options that's available that we can use with leverage, with the cash on hand that you've got, and perhaps some other tools that you might not even thought about. We'll be able to help you with. So thank you so much for the question, Saul, and good luck to you. And hopefully we can help you. If you'd like to ask a question here on the show, please go to morrisinvest.com/Clayton. Click on the button and leave us like a 30-second voicemail question so we can answer it here. And if you would like to take the plunge and get your first real estate investment done for you, fully done for you, just go to our website at morrisinvest.com and click on the book a call button and jump on the phone with one of our team members. They'll walk you through exactly what we do, the funding options we have in place from our different banks that we work with, and show you the different new construction properties that hopefully would be right for you as an investment. So thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time, everyone.